Welcome. Take a moment to get into a comfortable position. We can avoid disturbance and distraction from people and technology. Allow your shoulders and hands to rest easily. Letting go of any tension or pressure. Settling into this time and space. Now scanning the body up and down and noticing how you're feeling right now. Now just bringing your awareness to the sensation of your breathing. Noticing the full movement and rhythm of each breath. Avoid trying to control the breath. And just noticing where the mind is in this moment. Letting go of the thought, sensation or feeling that pulled the mind away before returning your focus back to the natural flow of your breathing. Now gently rest your attention, just being in the moment. Slowly bringing your attention back to the room. Gently moving your hands and feet. And whenever you feel ready, opening your eyes. I hope you found this meditation helpful and enjoyable. If so, click the thumbs up and share it with friends or family that might find it helpful too, and subscribe for new meditations every week. Before heading on to what you do next, just taking a moment to maintain that mindful awareness.